Hello everybody, so today I will talk about statistics. What sample size is needed to be 90% confident? The means is within positive and negative 5. A pilot study suggested that the standard deviation is 45. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. We have the margin equals to the t critical value of 70% confidence multiplied with the standard deviation divide to the square root of about sample size. The question they ask about what is the sample size, so we need to calculate about the sample size. So we move the square root on the left and the margin on the right. Then we put the square in the both sides. So we need to find the t critical value of 90%. So we will use the table. Here is about the table we need to use, and because that is about the big data and we will use about the infinity, we have 90% in here, so the value of the critical value of t is about 1.645. So now we return to this one, we change to 1.645. Standard deviation we have 45, and the margin is about this number. Now we can calculate about the sample size in here. It's about 219.18. We round up the number, so you got about 220 in sample size, and this is the number we need to find. That's the end. Thank you for watching.